Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. From the title of this video, you guys must be knowing that this is a vlog. And I know you guys must be thinking that, oh my god, Nidhi, you just randomly disappeared and like it's been what 10 months or so and you're just randomly back. So for that, I'm so sorry guys, and I would like honestly really like to apologize for that. It's just that there was like this huge change in my life that happened, which was that I transitioned from a school student to a college student, and it was really hard for me to sort of upload videos also because I moved to a whole new city for my college, and it was hard for me to understand how life works there, how living away from home is, and it was hard for me to manage a schedule where I had to manage living in a place completely away from my home and balancing my studies and sort of my assignments with that. So for my course, I don't have to actually study from textbooks and all, but I have a lot of hands-on assignments and assignments where I have to do projects handmade projects or something like a model or some sort of thing on a software. So I don't actually have actual like textbook sort of, but I have to do all of these assignments, so it was hard for me to balance that and my YouTube, and in the end I ended up not uploading a video for a really long time. So for that I would really like to apologize, and if you guys have any questions about what sort of course I'm doing or anything about my studies in general, let me know down in the comments. I would be happy to answer all of those. I can make a whole like Q&A video about that if you guys want. Before I forget, I would also like to ask you guys to comment down some video ideas or video suggestions which I can try out in the future. I'm so sorry for the background. You guys can look forward to more college vlogs, assignment videos, like things related to assignments and other fun stuff which I used to do before as well. And yeah, let's get right back into the video. it so far into this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I'm so happy that you have made it so far. Comment a notebook in the comment section below so that I know that you guys have reached this far. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and comment some fun video ideas I can try in the future. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Until then, bye guys.